Thinking of starting a driving school in Malaysia? With the growing demand for drivers and the increasing number of vehicles on the road, it's a great opportunity. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to start a driving school with a physical office in Malaysia. First things first, register your business. You'll need to set up a legal entity. You can register as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a private limited company. The Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, is where you'll handle the registration. Don't forget to get your business license from the local council, which is required to operate a physical office. Next, make sure your instructors are qualified. In Malaysia, driving instructors need to be certified by the Road Transport Department, JPJ. They must pass specific training and have a valid driving instructor's license. You'll also need to ensure your vehicles are properly registered and maintained to meet safety standards. Marketing is crucial. You can promote your driving school through social media or local advertising. Offering flexible schedules, affordable rates, and high-quality lessons will help set you apart. Starting a driving school in Malaysia can be rewarding, especially when you provide excellent service to your students. With the right preparation, certification, and a solid marketing strategy, you'll be on the road to success. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today so that we can help you build your driving school in Malaysia and make it a thriving business.